Welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. In this lesson, we will download a test application that we will use throughout the course for practice. Let me show you the steps to download the test application. Open your browser and navigate to github.com. Click on the search and search pw-practice. Please note it's CE underscore app. It's not PRACTICE. It's not SC. It's CE dot app. Click on the search and click on the first link and click on the code and click on this copy URL. Now create a folder on your desktop. You can name it git underscore repository if you want. And from the folder, you can open the terminal directly, right clicking. Now, whatever the code you have copied, paste it here and click enter. Sorry, git, you have to mention git clone and copy. Now you can see it's cloning. So it got completed successfully. Now open the project, your VS Code, click on File, click on Open Folder, navigate to the desktop, navigate to your folder, and select this Git pwprax and select folder. Click on this, select folder. Now go to the terminal in this VS Code and in order to start, you have to enter npm install. Let's wait. If you see this error, what you have to do is npm install force. Let's wait it to get that completed. So npm install force, this will bypass the checks, allow the app to run smoothly. Let's wait it to complete. Once dependencies are installed, run npm start. You can see I entered npm start here. So what this will do, this will help to build the application. Once it's compiled successfully, it will be hosted locally on the port 4200. You can see you have to click on, you have to just click on yes here and just enter and wait for this to get completed. You can see, as I said, it will be hosted on the local host 4200. Now go to the browser, open the browser and navigate to localhost 4200. You can see the test application will load featuring a variety of web elements like date pickers, as I said, tool tips, charts, sample, smart table, all of which we will interact with during the course using the Playwright. You can see charts, date, and tables. We will interact smart tables. You can see the charts, date pickers. So these are the different web elements you will be interacting throughout the course. Now, in order to stop the application, what you have to do, just enter Control C and click on yes. It will it will stop the application. Remember to use the application again, you have to run the command npm start and wait for it to compile. That's it for this class. Your test application is ready. We will use it to explore Playwright features. See you in the next lesson.